What is going on, my lovely people? It's Frozen Canadian here, and today we're going to be playing something new. Today we're going to be playing some Terraria. And the reason why I'm not playing Minecraft, or the reason why I'm not playing Minecraft is because, well, the world's kind of gone. Yes, I accidentally deleted my folder because I kind of updated to Windows 10, and it kind of deleted my folder. So, without further ado, I will get onto the game. So, I'll try to post this game as I can, as often as I can. So, yeah, I'll do my best. I have sports and all, so it's a bit difficult. But other than that, I hope I can do this because I really like this game. I think it's kind of fun, and yeah, I just really like this game. It's kind of fun. It's a good way to spend some time just chopping down trees. And the reason why I like this more than Minecraft is it actually has a lot of goals in it. Like, I can build a lot more things. And yeah, it's pretty fun as well. Like, yeah. Okay, just gonna keep on chopping this tree. So I just want to get a base before the baddies come. Before monsters come. Okay, we need to find a nice good place to set up camp. Or in this case, a home. I'll just take some of these. Oh, some of these lovely little what do you call those? Oh yeah, pots. Not like we're playing Legend of Zelda or anything. Okay, so just gonna dig up some of this land. It's gonna be a fairly big house. Well, I'm gonna at least try to make it a fairly big house. Yeah. Okay, just gotta keep on building the flooring. Escape. Boop. Oops. Boop. Okay, we got that. Let's get 2 doors for okay, jump that. Okay, so I'll make it. Oh yeah, one more here. Uh shift. A lot of slimmies, a lot of slims. Shift. Shift the slimes away. Just shank them a bit. Okay, good. Okay, that door goes there. Okay. And we keep on going across. Yeah. So now we will go and grab a where is it? Right here. And put those up. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I need. Okay, so now we get the walls. Okay, so now that we have the walls, we'll just. So I just kind of get. Oh yeah, they're too stupid to go down on a little thingy. Okay, so yeah. Let we need a lot more wooden walls if we want to do this. Yeah. So now that we go across, almost done, almost done. Don't worry, don't you worry, pretty little. Hey, look at this pink slime. Are they friendly? No, they're not friendly. They're not friendly. They're not friendly. They are most certainly not friendly. I don't know why I would have thought they were friendly. Just did. Okay, let's just get quite a bit of torch shells. One to go here, one to go there, to go right there. Okay, now that I have those, let's make a break for it. Let's just make a barrack for it. Okay, 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 okay. I was saying, oh, I fell. I forgot you could take fall damage in this game. Oh wait, so if I keep on going, if I be careful and go to the left, I can get some resources. Okay, do it all. Okay, so how do I get up? Okay, I need about 20 some of these. I need 20 to get a furnace going. I'll just take that chest with me. How many stone do I have? 18. I'll get a little bit more, since I kinda need more for to get up. Yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this series, cause I fucking enjoy this game. We shall not speak of that guy ever again. Okay? Okay. We should put that on a t-shirt. That should be our first t-shirt idea. We shall never speak of that man again. That'd be cool. Someone put that on a t-shirt. I'd probably buy it. This will go here. Can you like use a rope? Yeah. Okay, just some more rope. Okay. Okay. Oh, look, some more loot schedule. Some lesser healing potions. Nice, nice. What's in here? Some decent stuff to start off with. We can always just take that with us. Wait, is that? That's stone. Oh, cool, we have a desert nearby. Cacti. What can we do? We can't really do anything with cacti, I guess. Those vultures hostile. Yes, they're very hostile. I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay, I'm so alive, thank goodness. Okay, so it seems that I'm kind of stuck here. Okay, so can I get out of here? Okay, let that thing kill me. Okay, I died. I was slain by FC let his arms get torn by a slime.